Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Jazz Agency in the Philippines, which is in Good Day. Are you 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree? Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. My name is Melissa Nudo. I'm 32 years old from San Joaquin, Balongao, Pangasinan. My my religion, Roman Catholic. My height, 4'11". My weight, 5'5". My birthday, November 21, 1991. I have lived in. We are blessed with my daughter. She is 10 years old. My work experience is in Philippines. I being housemaid in Filipino family, 4 members since 2015-2019. My main duty, clean the house, ironing, sometimes cooking, gardening, and laundry.
Okay.
The I know to take care infant children, and I love pet. I describe myself honest, hardworking, patient, and kind. Sir, sir, ma'am, uh, if they hire me, I promise I will finish my contract and responsibility.
Okay. So you promise to finish your contract because you know that you have a 2 years contract, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so if there is any uncertain situation that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be reminded that you cannot easily go back home because you signed a 2 years contract. Once you breach your contract, you know what will be the consequences, which is you need to pay your employer. And at the same time, the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your mobile handphone during working time. So you cannot hold your phone. You can hold it during nighttime only, like 2 to 3 hours, to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. On your rest day also, you are entitled to have a rest once a week. But you will going to rest only inside the employer's house and you are not allowed to go out. But if you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. So do you agree about all these terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am telling you about our rules and regulations in our initial interview because we don't want later that once you reach here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us and complain us about all these things. Okay?
Yes,
We don't
yes, ma'am.
force people also to come here, whether you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, you can come, but if you disagree, it's also fine. We don't force people also, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, this is your first time working abroad and homesickness frequently will attack you. How are you gonna fight your homesickness later?
Ma'am,
How will you gonna fight your homesickness?
call me my family, ma'am.
Sorry?
Call my family.
Call your family and
Make me the me.
Melissa, please focus in the camera. You will call your family once you feel homesick, is it?
Yes,
Okay. So you mentioned also that you have a working experience and you also told me that you do house chores and sometimes you do cooking. laundry, ironing, and gardening. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you suddenly didn't continue working to your previous employer there in Philippines?
Salary is small, ma'am.
The salary is small. Okay. So, being a domestic helper is very tough, right? But you need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. Okay? There is no such a thing that you will do house chores only. So, are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care old people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So most especially, Melissa, you need to bring your good attitude while working in other countries, like also once you reach here in Malaysia, okay? Because we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not the boss here. In Philippines, maybe we are the boss, but in other countries, no such a thing, okay? We need to place ourselves. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, okay? If there is any
Yes, ma'am.
problem or any concerns inside the house, you inform directly your employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So, I give you a situation. What if your employer get angry with you, but you didn't do anything wrong? What will you do?
Like apologize, ma'am.
You make apologize, but of course, you didn't do anything wrong, but you still need to get apologize, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, before I proceed or ask you again, you mentioned that you have a live-in partner, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And your family also allow you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Your live-in partner, what is his occupation and how old is he?
My live-in partner is 37, ma'am, and farmers occupation.
You also mentioned that you have a one kid which is 10 years old, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of this child once you reach here in Malaysia?
My mother.
Your mother. Okay, so my last
Yes,
question
ma'am.
is, why did you choose to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore, Hong Kong, or maybe Middle East?
Because from my future of my daughter and my family, ma'am, in
Okay,
Malaysia.
so I think that's all for now, Melissa. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Yes, ma'am.
connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you,
you. Have
ma'am.
a good day.
Have a good day, ma'am.